Hi, my name's Sally. I'm the Animal Centre Manager at RSPCA Blockfen Animal Centre in Cambridgeshire. Back in May, I received an email from a company called Animal Care who were on the lookout for the UK's vet nurse heroes. Immediately I knew I had to nominate Tammy Jarvis, our vet nurse. She's been absolutely amazing during COVID-19. We have 105 animals in our care at the moment, and Tammy knows them all individually. She's fabulous. But alongside her vet nurse job, she's been doing additional things because we've had other staff furloughed. She's taken on extra duties. So I've seen her doing maintenance tasks, I've seen her mowing lawns and mending broken radiators, and she's also been stitching at home face coverings for everybody. So she's a real team player. She's excellent at her job, but she's brilliant to have around. So I've received the news that Tammy has been successful, and she is indeed a vet nurse hero, so that's great news. So I'm about to go and surprise her. I nominated Tammy for an award. No! Tammy, come back round here, please. Come back round here. It was an award organised by a company called Animal Care, who we get our microchips from, and it was for a vet nurse hero. And I only know one vet nurse hero. Ta-da! So Tammy has won an award. Congratulations!
I feel very honoured to have been nominated for this award, and equally very pleased that I was picked for it. I've worked for the RSPCA now for 16 years as a nurse, and I've enjoyed every minute of it, and every day has been very, very different. But it is a real massive team effort between all of us to get all our little animals out into new homes and starting new lives, and I feel very privileged to be part of that.